Uday Kiran, how a plus b plus c equals 0 is possible? If a plus b plus c 0 means x equal to 1 is the root. Okay na? X equal to 1 is the root means 1 is the real number. But what is given? Imaginary roots is given. Yeah, think about it. This imaginary roots. So then how option B is correct? It is not at all possible. It is not at all possible. What about others? Wake up from sleep. Still you are sleeping. Huh? Wake up and think about the problem. That's why I gave a starting with the math problem. What about others? Okay, so let us discuss the solution. See, what is the condition is given here? Yeah, the condition is 4a minus 2b plus c. So 4a minus 2b plus c means when you will get this relation, if you substitute x equal to, okay, x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 2, if you substitute x equal to minus 2 in this, what you will get? So 4 minus 2 whole square means 4a minus 2b plus c. Okay na? So that means let it be this expression as f of x. Okay na? So f of minus 2 equal to 4a minus 2b plus c. What is given? Less than 0 is given. Less than 0 is given. Okay na? Now see, imaginary roots means only two possible. The graph of the given expression only two possibilities. Okay, so that is either the graph is like this or the graph is like this. Only two possibilities because imaginary roots. The graph completely above x-axis or completely below the x-axis. Two cases only. So in these two cases, which one is correct? Okay, so that will be decided by this condition. Okay, so what is this condition? F of minus 2, f of minus 2 is less than 0. Okay, the value of the expression at minus 2 is negative. So negative means this one obviously because here all values are positive, but f of minus 2 is negative. That means this is the our graph. This is our graph. So what is the meaning of this one? So if you take any x value, the given expression is negative. If you take any x value, the given expression is negative clearly. Okay. So that means, so this is positive. Okay. This is a positive expression. So not possible. This is 0. It is not possible. Okay. And this is positive. So this is also not possible. The only thing is negative, which is true. Clear? Is it okay? Okay. Na? So by this condition, the graph of the given expression is completely negative. That means whatever value substitute in the given expression, you will get the negative value. Okay. Na? So this is, if you substitute x equal to 2, you will get this expression, which is positive. So wrong. This expression will come by substitute x equal to 1. Okay. Na? So it is wrong. This expression, whatever this, x equal to minus 1, then it is positive. No, the graph is always negative. Okay. Anyway, once you conclude the nature of the graph, it is no need to check all the results. It is just by looking at the option which is less than 0. So that is the correct answer. Suppose if there is another relation is there, negative, then you have to think about it. But only one relation is there which is negative. Okay. So this is the answer. So where you will get this one actually? You will get this value at x equal to minus 1 by 2. X equal to minus 1 by 2. This one f of minus 1 by 2 equal to what you will get? A into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2b. Hello? చెప్పమ్మా. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడే చూసాను. Okay, so minus 1 by 2 b, yeah, plus c. So which equal to a minus 2b plus 4c by 4. This is positive. Okay, this is positive. So this must be negative because the graph is negative. Okay. So is it clear to everybody? Is it clear how we approach the problem? Yeah. Okay, fine. So while solving such a problems, okay, you must be think about the graph. What is the graph of the given expression? That is the most important point, and later the condition, so that we can solve the problem easily. Okay, so let us move next problem. Okay, now for all x, x square plus 2ax plus 10 minus 3a is greater than 0. For all x, x square plus 2ax plus 10 minus 3a is greater than 0. Okay, then find a. Then find a. Okay, now the problem is for all x, x square plus 2x plus 10 minus 3a is greater than 0. Okay, then find a. How we will approach this problem? So what is the first condition we have to consider to solve this problem? So let me know which is the first condition. Quickly. Nobody responding. I think you people are not revising my previous class. If so, you can solve this problem very easy. Abhishek Reddy, are you there? Are you there? A equal to 2 comma minus 5. What bond superior? 10 minus 3. Yeah, this is 10 minus 3. Find the value of A. Yeah, Banu told D less than 0. Okay, good. That is the main condition. Yeah. So Mamata A 2 comma minus 5. See, this is inequality. Inequality means you will get either empty solution or infinite number of solutions. Okay, na? Either empty or infinite number of solutions only. There are no finite number of solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay? No solution or infinite number of solutions only. While we are solving inequalities, you will get neither solution or infinite number of solution. Hmm. See, the graph is completely positive. So completely, see, the given expression is completely positive. So that means the graph is completely above the x-axis. Above the x-axis means, so graph is like this. Above x-axis means the graph is like this. Okay, na? So that means it has imaginary root. Simply, it doesn't meet the x-axis. So obviously, d is less than 0. D is less than 0. So Uday Kiran told R minus closed interval minus 5 comma 2. R minus closed interval minus 5 comma 2. How you will get that one? See, we will see. So D less than 0. D less than 0 means, so that is B square minus 4AC is less than 0. So that is B, in place of B we have 2A. That is 4A square minus 4 into A value 1. What is the C value? 10 minus 3A is less than 0. Okay? So take common 4, you will get A square minus 10 plus 3A is less than 0. Okay, na? So A square plus 3A minus 10 is less than 0. So which is A square plus 5A minus 2A minus 10 is less than 0. So that means, so what you will get, this is A plus 5 into A plus 5 into A minus 2 is less than 0. Is it clear? A plus 5 into A minus 2 is less than 0. Okay? Na? So what are the roots? Minus 5 and 2. Okay? Na? So this is plus wave curve method. Minus plus. What we want? Less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. This part. Okay? Na? This part we want. So therefore, A belongs to minus open interval minus 5 comma 2, open interval minus 5 comma 2. Yeah, open interval minus 5 comma 2. Yeah, okay na? Is it clear? You forgot finding domain in first year functions topic. Okay na? There we use less than case and greater than case, all these problems. Huh? So then d less than 0 means what is the difficulty there to find this interval? Recall all the previous year concepts. Huh? Okay. Okay, next problem. A minus 4x square, a minus 4 into x square, okay, minus 2ax plus 2a minus 6 plus 2a minus 6 is less than 0. Okay, a minus 4 into x square minus 2ax plus 2a minus 6 is less than 0. Okay, for all x is real, find the value of a. Find the value of a. Okay, for all real x values, this expression is less than 0. So find the value of a. So a minus 4 less than 0 means a less than 4. This is the first condition. A less than 4. This is the first condition. Now coming to the second condition. D less than 0. Okay, na? That is b square minus 4ac. That is 4a square minus, okay, 4 into a minus 4 into 2a minus 6 is less than 0. Yeah. And now take common 4, that is a square minus a minus 4 into 2a minus 6 is less than 0. So a square minus 2a square, okay na? So minus 2a square, next minus into minus plus 8a, next minus 6a, so minus into minus plus 6a, okay na? Next minus into minus plus into minus minus 24 less than 0. So that is minus a square plus 14a, okay, minus 24 less than 0. So a square, okay, minus 14a plus 24 is greater than 0. I am taking minus as a common, okay. So a square minus 14a plus 24 greater than 0. Yeah. So what are the roots? Is it correct? Expression is correct. So b square minus 4ac. So a square minus a minus 4 into 2a minus 6. Yeah. So, so minus 2a square plus 8a. Yeah. And plus 6a. And what about, so the constant is, so minus 24. Yeah. So what are the roots? So think about the roots. 7 2s are, only one possibility is there. 6 4s are. Roots. The roots are, so 12 twos. Okay na? So a square minus 12a minus 2a plus 24 is greater than 0. So that is a minus 12 into a minus 2 is greater than 0. A minus 12 into a minus 2 is greater than 0. So greater than 0 means what you have to take? Greater than 0 means, yeah. So the roots are 2, 12. Okay, 2, 12. Yeah, this is positive, negative, positive. What we want? Actually, we have to calculate the positive case. Positive case means this part, this part. This is the positive case. Yeah, this is one solution. Hmm. And another, this is one condition. Another condition is a less than 4 na. So a less than 4 means where is 4? Here is 4. Okay na? Here 4 is there. So a less than 4. So a less than 4 means, yeah, this one. A less than 4 means this one. Now both conditions should be satisfied. Both conditions should be satisfied means, so intersection of these two relations. So intersection of these two relations means this one, this part. This is the intersection, this one. Okay na? So that means a belongs, a less than 2. A less than 2. That means minus infinity to 2. Open interval minus infinity to 2. Is it clear? See, most of the persons wrote closed interval 12 comma 2 na. You should not write like that. Either it is closed interval 2 comma 12. You should not write 12 comma 2. Okay na? But here the relation is greater than 0. I think you confused here. See here, if you take minus common, then the sign will be changed. Obviously, the sign will be changed. Be careful. Okay na? So this is the solution. Is it clear to everybody? Is it clear or any doubt? If you have any doubt, please ask me.